Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Priyanka Saukar Nole. So my clinic, World Class Dental Clinic, is located on FC Road in Pune. So today I am talking about the bridal smile makeover, what factors to be considered in it. So first thing I'll like to give you brief idea what is a smile makeover. Smile makeover means doing some changes in the smile surrounding structure in such a way that the smile beautification can occur with the help of it. So first thing, like teeth are surrounded by gum tissue, and along with that there is a soft tissue structure. So whenever some patient comes just before the marriage, we don't have too much time in hand, so we try to fix whatever problems they are having. First major concern most of the brides they have, like they have stains on their teeth and they want to remove it. So that can be removed with the help of very simple procedure that is known as scaling and polishing, where we try to remove all stains on teeth. Okay. And second thing, if there are two types of stains. One is extrinsic, means it is only placed on the outside surface of the enamel or teeth, or there is intrinsic stains. So intrinsic stains or intrinsic staining, most of the time it occurs because of the medicines or some chemical factors in their diet, or some metabolical issues also. So in such cases we can't change the shade of the teeth by just doing the cleaning and polishing. That time we have to go for more invasive procedure, where we consider laminates, veneers, or providing crown in some cases where the tooth is actually non-vital. So that can be done to change the shade of the teeth, so that on their special day their smile will be whiter and brighter. Second thing, most of the time in such cases we go for chemical bleaching, that is known as teeth whitening. I'm going to consider make individual topic big videos, because these are very big topics. In this video I'm just giving idea what all we consider when we talk about bridal smile makeover. Again, teeth whitening can be done by two ways. One is a laser teeth whitening, where with the help of laser we try to change the shade of the teeth. And one is chemical teeth whitening, where we only apply chemicals, and with the help of those chemicals we try to improve the shade of teeth. So that can be done. Second, some patients have the gum issues. Gum issues means they have gingival bleeding, sometimes the bad smell, and for all those such things we need to go for deep cleaning and polishing of the teeth. Second thing, we prescribe some medicines, some gels, so that the gingival tissue will heal. Okay. And in some cases, suppose the gingival overgrowth is there, the outline of the teeth is not proper, sometimes it makes the smile look weird sometimes. So we have to go for gingivectomy procedure. It can be done with the help of normal blades also, and with the help of laser also. In our clinic most of the time we use lasers to do the cutting, because it's very easy. Second thing, it heals very rapidly. Third, there is bone bleeding is very less when we compare to with the scalpel. So that can be done, gingival reshaping or gingivectomy. Few brides they have complained about the blackish gums. Their gums are quite like stained, there is too much of melanin pigmentation is there. In such cases we go for depigmentation. Again, it is better to be done with the help of laser, since it heals faster, and second, there is very less bleeding with the help of laser. So that is second procedure. Like if we are talking about related to gums, we need to do curettage or scaling polishing. As I already said, second thing, gingivectomy, where we do the reshaping of the gums. Third thing I've already told, that is the gingival depigmentation. So these are the few procedures we follow. And for stained teeth, I've already told, scaling polishing. Along with that we go for teeth whitening, and sometimes if stains are intrinsic, that time we go for laminates, veneers, or crowns, depending on the problem of the patient having. Third, few patients they come and they ask us to change the alignment of teeth within span of 1 or 2 months. Practically it's not possible. That time we advise patient, if the changes what we are planning to do if are very minor, that can be done with the help of veneers. Again, there are two types: direct veneers, composite veneers, or the indirect veneers. That can be done. Direct veneers, we do it on the same day. Indirect veneer, we need to do slight amount of cutting, do the modification in the tooth structure, and we send it to lab. And once we get the lab work done, after that we fix those veneers. So that is also a quick fix where we can minor alignment issue can be solved, gaps can be closed, even the broken teeth can be fixed. So these factors mostly come under the bridal smile makeover. And yeah, along with that, we do the dental jewelry also, where we try to place a stud on the teeth which is most visible, where light is reflected properly. It adds that special marks on the special day. So that is also a very nice thing, like dental jewelry. It gives that extra shine to your smile, and sometimes it is better to get pampered on your special day. So all these factors, like teeth whitening and all, then the gingivectomy, depigmentation, and the dental jewelry, and sometimes laminates and veneer, all these factors comes under the bridal smile makeover. Thank you. Hope you have liked my video, and you must have got just a brief idea about what we consider under the smile makeover. Thanks for watching, guys. Do like my channel, do subscribe it. Bye bye, take care.